3, 2, 1. Congrats, your Metamask wallet is created. Today I'll be telling you how to create a Metamask wallet. So first and foremost, what is a Metamask wallet? What exactly it is? Actually, Metamask wallet is the most popular crypto wallet. By crypto wallet here I mean it is the most popular Ethereum crypto wallet. Uh, it can be used to do transactions in cryptocurrencies, not only Ethereum but also tether, polygon, matic, solana, and lot more like shibainu. So for creating your own crypto wallet on Metamask, you will need a PC right now or a laptop kind of thing, because right now I'm going to show on it. I'll make some other video if you want for making your wallet on Metamask. So now let's see. Right now I'm on Brave. Now you need to search Metamask. Now go to this website metamask.io. Now download. Now you can have Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge. Right now only these four browsers are supported, so you can check by downloading from any of them. I am on Brave, so I will try this. Download this. Now add to Brave. Yeah, it's added. Now just click on this button and click on MetaMask. Now I'll be redirected to a website. Now get started. Now if you are already a MetaMask wallet user, then you must be having a secret recovery phrase. You can click here to import your wallet. Otherwise, if you are creating a new one, just create a wallet. Then you can read all this and then I agree. Then you have to make a password. I have read and agreed to the terms of use. You can read them by clicking here, create. Now, in a crypto wallet, there is a recovery phrase. Mostly it is from 7 to 14 words. In MetaMask right now, it is a 12-word phrase that will be given to you. That 12-word phrase, you have to keep it very securely, because that is the only key to your account, your wallet. And if someone else gets to know about your recovery phrase, he can use access your wallet, and now your funds, crypto funds, is his or hers. So you have to keep your recovery phrase safely. Now here is here the 12 birds will be displayed. They say this warning is also written. Never disclose your secret recovery phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your ether forever. Keep in mind. Click 3, 2, 1.
Got it!
Now after doing all this, congrats, your MetaMask wallet is created. Well done. Congrats once again. Thank you guys for watching.